क्या आप जानते हैं कि एक साधारण अमरूद कई महंगे फलों से ज्यादा पौष्टिक हो सकता है? रोज बस एक अमरूद खाने से आज हम इसके 7 अद्भुत फायदे और इस समय जानेंगे। इसमें मैग्नीशियम और अन्य आवश्यक खनिज हैं, जो हड्डियों और मांसपेशियों के लिए फायदेमंद हैं। अमरूद विटामिन सी से भरपूर होता है, जो शरीर की रोग प्रतिरोधक क्षमता को बढ़ाता है। इससे सर्दी और फ्लू जैसी समस्याओं का खतरा कम हो सकता है।
If you suffer from constipation or digestive problems, guava can be beneficial for you. The fiber present in it helps keep the stomach clean and improve digestion.
Guava is a low-calorie and fiber-rich fruit. Eating it makes you feel full for a long time, which can reduce frequent hunger and help control weight.
Guava contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidants, which help keep skin healthy and support eye health. Guava, in limited quantities, especially with the peel, is a good source of fiber and can be part of a balanced diet. If you have diabetes, eat it as advised by your doctor. It is considered best to eat guava as a morning or evening snack. It is best to eat it after washing it thoroughly and in limited quantities. So friends, a simple guava can become a wonderful part of your daily diet. If you like this information, then like the video, share it, and don't forget to follow our channel for more healthy tips.